Anyway, guys, it's you know. Okay, wait, okay. I'm going to show you a room tour, because we're having a switch drink, and I have a different room, and yeah. So, my camera is being kind of risky today, and yeah. Okay, so, this is where you open the door, and so basically when you walk in, you just see my cute desk. My stool, my desk. It's a little messy. My mirror. I'm filming with this, my tablet. Yeah, it's pretty messy, but most of my makeup is out. Some of my makeup is in there. Then there's this cute little drawer. I'll show you what's in it. This is a makeup bag. Can you see it? Oh yeah, you can. So a makeup bag on the right, or I think it's left to you. Middle it's just pencils, and on the left or right, I don't know. And that's just makeup. It's usually my everyday makeup. So, and then what I would get is my closet. Probably don't want to look in there. It's really messy. And then here is my bookcase right. Oh no, book basket. Right next to that. Don't know. Keep on walking to the left of my house. There is my dresser. Just underwear on the two top drawers, like socks and stuff. And then shirts on the first drawer, pants second. And then the last drawer is just like my bathing suits and pajamas and stuff. And then this is my bed. Not creepy out of it, but I have a little dolly that I love. Here. Yeah, that's her. So, she's really pretty. She's an antique, basically. She's really, really old. I like her a lot. She is porcelain doll, and porcelain dolls. They're adorable. And then I'll show you my nightstand. This is alarm clocks and stuffed animals, and down there's just my radio and shoebox. Okay, anyway, that's just my key. That is since I was like, a baby teeth. No, look, there's a lot of so cute. And it's kind of rough because dog is right there. But anyways, that was a room tour, and it's a pretty small room. You can see the shine on my glasses. That's my window. You got go with okay. I can see the reflection of me on my tablet. So okay. Bye guys.